What's going on YouTube? I know I promised y'all a video of this and I'm gonna give you one. It's pretty straightforward, nothing in detail. Basically about replacing the air shocks and air compressor on the Avalanche. Stay tuned and watch out and see how we do this. All right, everybody, I guess you probably already put 2 and 2 together and figured out I already did the job. So this is gonna be a fast walkthrough on what to expect and what not to expect and how to do it and what not to do. So first you need a 21mm socket and wrench. So the bottom of everything's straightforward. It's a shock job, a regular shock, plus or minus 1 or 2 things. Now this is your air line. Pull that clip out to release it from the old shock, and you also have to unplug it from there, which is a 2-wire setup. Once you unplug that, everything comes off. Slide the wires back. To get to the bolt up here on the back side, what I had to do, I got an extension. There you go, focus. 21mm extension on the back side of the frame. Just run it through there, up through there. Slide your socket on and then get it out. Now the other side is a little bit trickier, which I'm going to show you in a second. But as you see, it's pretty straightforward. Take the clip out and then slide on the new one. Make sure you slide it on until you feel it click. Another way to do it is put the clip on, that little thing right there. And when you slide it on, the whole way it's gonna click. That's how you know it's in place. Same thing with the plug up there. Okay, that's enough of this side. This side is the interesting side over here. So on this side, you have the air compressor, which is 3 nuts. So you got one here, and you got one above it, right there. There you go, focus. These 2 right here, and then you have one that you had to slide in between the frame to get to, which is on the back side of that spare tire. If you move the tire, you see the hole where you can put your socket in to get everything to go. So once you take those 3 bolts out, take your plugs off. I demonstrate on the other air compressor. Take that stuff out, it comes completely off, and the air lines. So you got 2 main air lines that go up through there, up top. And also too, you can see the top bolt on the new shock. And you had to do that one the same way, but it's easier if you remove the air compressor, because more than likely, if you're replacing the shocks, the air compressor is burnt up. So, same principle. There you go, focus. Same principle on the same sides, but different sides of the vehicle. So now, we're gonna go back over here to the air compressor, the old one. And show you what you need to do. Also, you have a vent line. It should come in your kit, looks like this. And it goes up behind the fuel tank. Well, not the fuel tank, but a fuel filler neck. So, what we're gonna do when we get over here, this is the compressor off. You still got that one stud that's in there. So it sits like this underneath the truck. This is your air line that goes to the driver's side shock. This air line right here goes into the compressor. This one right here goes into the back of that shock. That's on the driver's side. I know I said something wrong, but I'm gonna correct myself now. So, passenger side line, driver's side line, and this is your vent line, which plugs in like this. Well, you get the idea. So you can recycle the old one or put a new one on as well. I just recycled the old one. That's the new one. And you have this main plug right here. Yours may be circular depending on the year of your vehicle. But if you order the kit, it's gonna come with both adapters, the round adapter and the square or rectangular adapter. So once you get all of that set up and situated, it's fairly simple to do, pretty straightforward. And no, I will not make a video on me taking them off and putting them on, because it is a basic shock job with 2 added incentives: an electrical plug and an air line. That's it. That's the only difference. And with the air compressor, like I said, it's straightforward. You cannot mess this up. Never mind, somebody probably could, but to be honest with you, it takes about an hour to do. That's with the shocks and the air compressor. You can have it done in about an hour. But if you're a novice, give yourself about 3 hours. I'm not trying to be funny, just being honest, because you're still learning how to deal with like getting a vehicle in the air and having everything set the way you wanted to have it set. Easiest way to do, when you get in the air, make sure the tire's off the ground. Jack stands will always help. Put it underneath the frame. That way, when you put it down, you have a little wheel travel so you can adjust the shocks to put them back into place. And like always, like, share, subscribe. If you have questions, always put me something in the comments. Let me know what you got going. Thank you. Have a great day.